of our land, I greet you all. My princess, you're welcome, my princess. The maidens, you're all welcome. Oh, my boy! I am very happy because today is my day. I am so happy. Don't worry, there is enough to eat and drink today. Eh? Woo! Let me go in and get the newborn baby. My princess, I'm coming with the newborn baby.
Abomination! Abomination! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Abomination!
So absurd. Do you know how many people came here to inform me of the outrageous thing you did?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Sorry, Father.
Waka, don't take my love for you for granted. How can a princess like you dance in public and with a common flutist?
Father, I already said I was sorry. Besides, the flute can make anyone do anything.
Then I want to see the flutist. I want to know what he blew that made you make a move to the extent of dancing like that in public.
It was the best day of my life.
Oh, shut up. And you, get out of this place. Come back here, not you. I want you to send for that flutist. I want to know what he blew that made her dance like that in public. Now get out.
Okay, Your Highness, please.
Come back here, I said.
I said I was sorry.
I want to see that flutist.
By now, Ndigwe must have heard the story. But I will add break into it, so that I will break it to him like Aku Ibon Sugbe. Huh? How can the princess be dancing with Isimwang like an ordinary person? Ndichie and Ezemo must sit on this matter so that they will put Odunze to his place. And with alacrity shall it be. Hey! Huh? Shaka, organize yourself.
king and the princess. I'll be right back.
Who are you?
Igwe. I am Odunze, Mwabogidi. I lived all my life with my grandmother in Ikwere. Before this flute I inherited from my father called me back to this kingdom a few days ago.
You lie. What did you do that made my daughter soil her royalty by dancing in public? Not just to your tune, but by carrying the head of a masquerade.
Igwe, this flute is spiritual. It heals. It resonates. It gives joy to the sad. And it gives hope to the hopeless. Igwe, sometimes it's even beyond my control. My grandmother told me to return to this kingdom with this flute, that it will lead me to my destiny.
Then blow it. Blow it. If I find out you are lying, I will skin you alive. Blow it. Let me see how this little thing you have in your hand is capable of making Igwe to smile. Blow it.
Father, I just got a glimpse of you, smiling like a happy king.
Did I smile?
Then in that case, I sanction you to come and play in the palace anytime we need you. My Ofala and anniversary on the throne is in a few days. You are invited. I would want you to come and entertain us on that day. We'll let you know when we need you. Igwe, you may go. Igwe, you live long. Thank you, Igwe. Thank you.
May you live long, Father.
My love.
Thank you, Father.
Celebration was better than last year.
No. Last year was far better than this year. Have you forgotten that last year we had 10 different masquerades and they were very colorful? And we had our people returning from their different distance farm settlements. And we also had 5 different kings visiting us from their neighboring villages.
And you forgot that this year, the DC came from the district. Tell me, what more could be bigger than that?
It's okay. I don't want to argue. Just greet your mother for me. I'll come later in the evening to make your hair.
I can't wait for the day you will get married. It will be a carnival.
Your father, the king, he has a lot of goodwill. Look at the caliber of people that came yesterday for the ceremony.
Well, my wedding will sure be a carnival, Akese. But right now, all I can think about is Odunze. I need to see him. He told me he has a performance at Isiago. I want to go with him. I want to have the same feeling I had the day your brother was being outdoored.
No, you can't go. His Highness will kill me.
Only if he knows where we are going. Isiago is far from here. I know. I will tell my father that I'm going to see the princess of Isiago. You know he does anything to make me happy. I have to look nice, change the drawing on my face, and have my makeup looking bright. I also have to disguise myself so that no one knows I'm the one. I can't wait to see Odunze. I don't want to keep him waiting. Come and change the beading of my hair behind.
Oh, okay, my princess.
No! Get the blade and get the beading to change the beads on my hair.
Oh, okay, my princess. I'm coming. Let me put
My princess.
My princess, you're here.
Yes, I am.
Please, my princess. I want to beg you to stay away. Please. The king will not find this funny. I don't want him to banish me from this land. Please.
He will not banish you. Leave us, both of you. Odunze, I used to experience a very terrible pain on my waist. But after the flute and the dance, it has gone away till now. Besides, I enjoy your company. And I always do what gives me joy. Now my father's priority is to do whatever pleases me. So play the flute and get me in that happy mood. Also, I'm going with you to Isiago.
No. No, my princess, please. Please.
Play the flute. Play. I'll hold that. Play.
Odunze Nwambugide. Igwe. I take pride in you. I bless the day you were born. Your flute gladdens my heart and lifts my spirit. I bless every day of your life.
He say,
you will see your children's children.
He say,
I pray that Chukwokike grants me the privilege of seeing the day you get married, so that I'll be there to bless the union and see you sojourn in life.
Igwe, you shall live to fulfill all this. Igwe, you have been like a father figure to me, and your blessings propel me to greater heights. I pray the gods to give you longevity so that you live longer than your forefathers, your ancestors.
And I say to that. Okay, now go and meet Akeze. Eat your food. When you're done eating and rested, you come back to entertain me once more. Okay?
Igwe.
Odunze Nwambugide. Odunze Nwambugide. Wonderful tunes he plays. His tunes lift my spirit.
Now make sure you buy everything I told you to at Oriakozu. Failure to will subject you to immediate dismissal. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, Akeze.
See this picture. Before it dries up, make sure you're back. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Get out.
What do you say? Oh. Please play the flute. Please. Oh.
She's experiencing a severe menstrual pain. It's been here like this time every month.
Oh, quiet, Akeze. Quiet. Please, Odunze. Play the flute. Oh, I'm dying here. I do feel better already.
This is good.
It's like magic, right? You are awesome. Come, give me a hug. Go on. Give me a hug. Thank you. Odunze, you're here.
Yes, my princess.
Come, sit with me.
My princess.
If His Highness finds me sitting here with you, or even if he gets the report, I can be fired from entertaining him in this palace.
He is my father. And you are my heart desire. I have been watching you for a very long time. I am no longer the little girl at the palace. I have come of age. And even though men from far and wide the kingdom have made advances at me, my heart chose you long ago.
Look, my princess.
Your flute suits my soul. It heals me and gives me joy. Your personality thrills me. You, Odunze, shall be my husband, and I your bride.
Madam. But my princess, I just want...
I shall tell my father about it myself. He loves me to a fault. And whatever I demand, I shall have.
My princess! No! This guy
kind of food is not meant for people like you. Please, put it back. Please. Please. But no. Please, I beg you.
Hey! Leave us. Great friends indeed.
Your Highness. It is inching gradually closer and closer and closer every day.
We have almost 1 year to go.
And the secret remains intact.
Thanks to the gods. And to you, my cardinal elders, who have been able to maintain the secret till now.
Yes.
I promise you that once destiny is fulfilled, I will reward each of you handsomely.
Oh!
Igwe! Okachabalo!
In fact, Igwe, by this time next year, destiny shall be fulfilled.
You say? Shall be fulfilled.
Yes, Oduze. He should be here to entertain us.
That is right, but he is eating. As soon as he finishes, he will join us.
Oh, let me do the entertainment then. Let me do the entertainment.
Igwe!
Agadagidi! The strong man. Nobody can contest with you. Igwe. The lion of our time.
Yes. Igwe.
Father.
My love, most beautiful.
I want to tell you something, Father.
Oh, go ahead. What do you want? New robes? Ornaments? New maidens? Guards? What is it? Just name it.
Well, Father, I have come of age. I'm no longer a kid.
My princess, I don't think we should talk about this now. I really need some quiet. I want to commune with the gods. Why don't you just go back to your chambers and have some rest?
But Father...
you need it now. Just give me some time to have it. Come on, my princess. Come on, you can leave now. You need to rest. We'll talk later. Okay?
Very well, Father. No. All is not well. My own father, the king, who calls me his love. He's adorable. Sent me out of his presence. Just because I discussed the issue of marriage. No way. No. I have to sleep. I just have to open my eyes and discover this is all a dream. It's got to be a dream.
Igwe. Igwe. May you live forever.
Thank you, Dimba. Dimba, sit, please.
Thank you, Igwe.
Igwe, the weight and the urgency of the message made me to run like I did when I was 12.
Dimba, I could not sleep the whole of last night.
What troubles my king?
I hope there's no guard around here.
No, all of them are at the entrance.
Dimba, soon after the celebration of yesterday, when we hoped that the secret will still remain till next year, when destiny will be fulfilled, she came up to me to talk about marriage. Of course, I quickly dismissed her. I did not even give her a chance to say a word of it. I sent her away from where I stood. Something I have never done before.
Your Majesty, we have to manage the situation. Compensate her with gifts and whatsoever, then craft a lie to cover up. Nwaka must not know the truth until the day of destiny.
That is true, but that was why I called you, to help me craft a cover-up. My head is filled. Please.
Igwe, I have to think.
Cherekene, obu gini na-eme, o gini na-eme, ọkwa ajụjụ ka m na-ajụ. Ihe usoro ya bụrụ, ofu mbọsị ọ ga-agbarịrị n'anwụ, gbarịrị n'anwụ. Onye ukwu na-atụ ilu, onye nta na-atụ ilu, ajụjụ wee bụrụ gịnị ka na-ezo, gịnị ka na-ezo. Gịnị ka na-ezo, onye ka na-esoro.
You don't look well, my princess.
I sent for you. Come with me to my chambers.
My princess, I came to entertain the king. He's with Dimba. The guard says I cannot go in.
My chambers was what I said.
My princess, I wanted to entertain the king before coming to see you. Please.
Do you have any affection for me? Or am I in any way forcing myself on you?
My princess, it would be beyond my dreams to marry the princess of this land. It would be utterly insane not to have affection for you. You are the most desirable. I am only following protocol.
Well, he is my father. And I am his all in all. You have no problems. I will tell him that I sent for you to entertain me.
My princess,
will you come with me, or you'd rather I hate you forever?
As you desire, my princess.
Henceforth, you will address me as your love.
As you desire, my love.
After me.
Igwe, may you live long.
You're welcome, my son. Odunze, I'm in a very worrisome mood. I want you to play me the kind of tunes that will lift my spirit and change this mood.
Igwe, you are my Lord, my Father, and my King. Whatever gladdens your heart is what I shall do.
Odunze, is anything the matter with you?
There is nothing wrong with me, my king.
Your tunes are uncoordinated, very unlike before. Listen, I am like your father, and I am your king. I take you as a son. Did you taste the breast of a woman before coming here? Did you? Oh, now talk to me as a son. Which of the girls is it? Any of those village girls? Or one you caught from the neighboring village?
So, I suggested what I told you just now. I believe that if he follows it, it will sway her mind while we wait.
I pray the gods grant us the grace. She is grown up so rapidly, and her beauty attracts various men with various interests. That 1 year is like eternity. Igwe Igwedo is a nice one and a noble king.
That's true.
He deserves to see that destiny comes true without hitch.
Exactly. I cannot wait to get the plum lands he promised us in this kingdom and other prominent positions. If all sail true and the 1 year comes by, we shall all benefit immensely.
That is true. Surely we shall benefit. Anyway, let me quickly walk down to my piggery and dispose some pigs.
Okay.
I need some money.
That's true.
Send me word to your wife and children, eh?
Thank you.
My waist is so bad I cannot see you off.
Please go and work on it.
I will. Hey.
Oh, glad to see you smiling again, my love.
Father, I was sad all night, but he came and entertained me, taking all my sadness away.
Great. I'm sorry for my act yesterday. I just don't want us to talk about it.
It's okay, Father. I understand. Odunze is someone you love very dearly.
Oh, yes. I love him so much. I wish he was my biological son. I actually have plans to make him a greater part of my family and give him a little of my property.
Oh.
You know, he's been so useful, loyal, and everything you can think about, especially making my love smile.
So it means I didn't make a mistake with my choice.
What choice are you talking about?
Father, Odunze is the man I want to marry. We've talked about it.
He loves me too, just as I love him. And that was what I was about to tell you.
Maka, no man is allowed to come near you, not to talk of getting married to you. When I say no man, I mean none.
How, Father?
This discussion is ended. Except, of course, you want that man dead.
No. Strange. It wasn't about Odunze. Father said, no man at all. How can a woman exist in this world without a man? Strange.
Never told you this before, but hear it from me loud and clear. No one whatsoever, and for any reason, should talk or discuss with Maka about marriage. She has a destiny waiting for her. When I say no one, I mean no one. All eyes must be on Odunze. But leave him. I will talk to him first.
It shall be as you have decreed, Your Highness.
You are the chief of all servants in this palace. When my order fails, then you'll be ready to pay with your life.
My king, your order is like a decree from the gods. It shall stand as you have pronounced it.
Glad you know that. You may leave.
Igwe.
Cherekene, obu gini na-eme, o gini na-eme, ọkwa ajụjụ ka m na-ajụ. Ihe o soro ya bụrụ, ofu mbọsị ọ ga-agbarịrị n'anwụ, gbarịrị n'anwụ.
This does not look good.
My father, whom I have always known, has changed. My sweet father, who would pamper me like an egg and would worry if I dashed my foot against a stone, now issues me threats and ultimatums. Something is not right, Akeze. Something is definitely not right.
He said no man should be allowed to talk to you about marriage. That there is a destiny that awaits you.
What destiny? Odunze is my father's most favorite person on earth after me. I am in love with him. Father didn't say Odunze. He said no man should discuss marriage with me. And he has refused to tell me why or explain to me what the decision is about, which is getting me more confused.
Princess, your father is a good man, a noble king, loved by all his subjects. He must have a good reason to say that.
No. Any decision that keeps me from seeing or loving Odunze is not a good one, and he must tell me why.
Then be patient. Be patient until you find out. Please.
He has to tell me why. He must explain it to me. Why? Why?
Please calm down. Everything will be fine. fine. I'm sure.
My king, my lord, and my father. I call you son because of the unprecedented love I have for you.
Yes, my king, I know.
Whatever it is you have for the princess, or you had, or you intended to have with Nwaka, stop it forthwith.
But, my king, I love her with my life.
Then desist from loving her or wanting her. For she has a destiny that awaits her. Unless, of course, you want to pay with your life.
My king, was it all about me?
No. No man whatsoever must talk to her about marriage. For there is a destiny that awaits her. If there was any reason for her to have anything outside her destiny, then it would have been no other person but you. But for now, stay away from this palace unless I send for you. Now get out!
May you live long, my king.
Iyo soro ya buru ofumbosi yoga gbariri na onye ukwu na-atụ ilu onye nta na-atụ ilu ajụjụ wee bụrụ gịnị ka na-ezo gịnị ka na-ezo.
Are you aware that this evening is our dance practice?
I forgot!
I know you will forget. So let's hurry up and go and fetch water so we can go home and cook for our parents before evening. Let's go.
Walking is even wasting time. Running is better.
Please, let's go.
Igwe. She has refused to eat all day. She's in her chambers, crying.
She will come to terms with the new order. Let her be.
Do I order for your food to be served?
I will not eat until she has eaten. Leave me alone.
Your Highness, don't you think it would be better if you can...
Akeze, just leave. This issue is what it is. Just leave. I will handle it.
As it pleases you, Your Highness.
The palace is unusually quiet today.
Yes. The king is not happy and the princess locked herself up. I think there is a big problem in this palace today.
Hey, Odunze too did not play for the king today. Are you sure he's not connected to Odunze going into the princess chamber? Because I saw him coming out of there yesterday.
No, I doubt, because he used to go in there and entertain her. Today is not his first time of going in there. Besides, the king loves him like a son and treats him as one. Maybe it is more than we can speculate. But whatever thing it is, it will unfold.
We are in this palace here to observe. Whatever it is, we will see. Yeah.
I will only eat on one condition.
Tell me, my princess, I'm not only getting worried, but nervous.
Come closer.
Closer.
Okay, my princess. Okay.
What do you think of this order? That we should guard the princess and make sure no man talks to her.
Only a fool thinks he can guard or protect a woman from seeing a man. When a woman wants to be with a man, she devises her own way and must be with that man. The palace has been so cold today. I think everything is not fine. But do not worry. Very soon I'll find out what's going on.
Clothes in your hands spiritual. Your journey will be tough, but do not give up. Do not give up. Do not give up.
Where is this voice coming from? Where? The one that sends message to the gods through the medium of flute. Ekeneo.
I salute you, Shaka Wikerio.
I came with this file to consult on how to go on this special assignment.
Okay. I'm all ears. Ochedikwa.
I went to Olu Nibo, and the gods revealed to me that the princess Nwigwe Guedo is my bride. And as the man known all over the community, and the son Igwe Guedo never had, I came to you so that you can help me on how to reach the Igwe and give him the information. Because I tried earlier, but the useless and senseless guards threw me away. A whole me. Shaka. We carry on.
Shaka. You see, I have bigger problems bothering me. So I will advise you to come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Just go.
What time?
Anytime, Shaka. Anytime.
Anytime is no time, Odunse. Give me the time that will work.
Shaka, leave me. Just leave me, go. Naban.
Hi. Okay then. I will go and wait for the time to be any time and then I will come back.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
Hi. Obi adoro kwagum mao. Shaka. Comport wo.
That was what brought me Igwe. My father, the king of Awaka, says once you give your blessing, and I go talk with the princess and we get along, as I know we would, then the marriage ceremony shall be the type never seen in the history of this land.
Prince of Awaka, your words smell good. But I am afraid you may have to return with your personal bodyguard, Uchendo. Tell your father I said no. Not because I hate you or wouldn't want to have anything to do with your family or your land, but because there is a destiny awaiting the princess, and marriage is out of it.
Igwe, please may I be allowed to ask a question?
You must never speak in my presence. Prince, you may return home and deliver the message to your father, my fellow king. You may leave now. You must never allow people like this cross the entrance of my palace.
Yes, Your Highness.
Prince of Awaka, it is a direct order from the king, and I cannot falter it or pay with my life.
Can't I at least see the princess just to greet her and go?
That cannot be possible either. The king has ordered that no man should see the princess, not you alone, but anything called man should not have access to her.
This is very strange. Indeed, very, very strange. I think I will leave everything for my father.
That would be a good idea.
I live in peace.
Whatever the reason the king has, I'll live to see it.
If I see any of you gossiping with what is happening in the palace, I will use fire and seal your mouths.
Hey, I'm sorry. I'm also sorry.
Get out! Go back to your shows.
I'm not giving up on Princess Nwaka. If what the king says was to test the level of my love for her, then I shall prove him wrong.
But, my prince, don't you think there's more to what Igwe Gwedo told us?
I don't care. I shall inform my father, and he shall find out what his reasons are exactly.
Nobody should know that I came here. She sent me with this gift. She said you should relay any message you have for her through me, and I shall bring back a reply. I'll be back in the evening. Okay. I'll be back in the evening.
Princess Waka shall be my bride, and I shall be her darling husband, and Igwe Gwedo shall be my father-in-law. And as for destiny, that is our destiny.
Igwe! Igwe! How we kill you? How did you make it past my guards to come into the palace?
Igwe! The guards at the entrance stopped and seized the fowl I brought for you. I sneaked into the back fence and tied up the 2 maidens I saw at the back. Then I landed here.
It means you're a security threat to me.
Huh? Igwe, no. I am not a security threat. I am your in-law to be. That is why I brought the fowl. But your wicked guard sees it.
You're not making any sense to me. What are you talking about?
Igwe, let me break it down to you like Aku Ebonswe. I went to Olunibo, and the gods revealed to me that Princess Nwaka, your daughter, is my wife.
Get out of my palace now. Igwe, get out of my palace.
Where's my fowl?
Get! Get!
Stay away! Stay away or die soon! Stay away! I will choose to die soon and die for Princess Nwaka. Huh? Both of you can never stop me. Nah!
What do we do to this Lufa?
Stay away! Stay away! One of you!
I'll have something to eat now.
Let me bring it immediately.
My princess. Odunze. Nwagbogidi. You shall be my husband, and I your bride. Igwe Igwedo will be our father. You are the destiny my father, the king, keeps talking about. And that destiny must be fulfilled.
Emelumala iye gadi Okwe mane mekwala melu iye gadi rere Ona de kanaro.
The king live forever.
It is well with you, my daughter.
A message came from the Prince of Umuchimere. He says he would like to pay a visit to the royal home.
Did he tell you his intentions?
Yes, Your Highness. He says he's interested in the princess and...
Are you crazy?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Just doing...
Will you shut up? What did I tell you about any man coming to talk to her about marriage?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Just that this one is the prince
Oh,
of...
will you shut up? Now get back to them and send a message that the princess is not available for marriage. And she will never be available. Now get out!
Yes, Your Highness.
Incorrigible.
Your Majesty, so how's the situation now?
Well, normal at the moment. She seems to have gone back to her normal self.
She will. Your Highness, you have shown her so much love. So much love, far greater than any kind of love.
Well, she's my everything. She's destiny waiting to be fulfilled.
The days, as if deliberate, have refused to speed up as used to be. In 10 months, we shall witness the fulfillment of destiny.
He says, and I shall stand tall like other kings before me. And then this land will witness prosperity that knows no bounds. I will shower you all with the kind of gifts and blessings that will leave you speechless.
Hey, Your Highness, May you live long. Live and live and live until you are tired of living.
Hey!
Hey! Oduze, are you home? Oduze.
Yeah, who is that? Onye?
Oduze Wabogi, I greet you. God of Igwe Igwedo, I greet you too.
Odunze, the king summons you. He said you should come straight to the palace and play for him.
Okay. Tell the king that I have received his message. And I will be at the palace as quick as I can.
Okay. I live in peace.
May the gods be with you.
Emelumala ihe gadi Okwe mane mekwala melu ihe gadi rere Ona de kanaro ihe gadi rere Mesia obure si okwu ihe gadi rere Chukwu na mmada malugo Otu ọbụ n'osiri dị n'elu ụwa ihe gadi
You know, my angel, for the love I have for you, I can do anything.
No greater love is there than that which you have shown me since birth. Sometimes I worry, how will I say goodbye when I finally leave with my husband?
Your desire is to marry now, isn't it?
Yes, Father. So I can bear grandchildren. They'll run around the palace when we visit.
We'll cease that topic now.
Not again, Father.
Odoze will soon come to the palace to entertain us so that we can have some smiles on our faces. I love his tunes.
I know. I love it too.
Carry on.
Who knows me by my name? Onyemamu?
It is me. It is me, Okacha. Oh, so are you telling me you are so drunk that you cannot even recognize my voice? Or know me? Eh?
Okacha.
Yes.
It's you, Okacha.
Yeah.
I am heartbroken. And I want to drink away my sorrow.
Heartbroken? Yes. Why is your heart broken? Who has broken the heart?
Okacha, I went to the Igwe with a vow to tell him of my intention of marrying his daughter, Nwaka. And up till now, he has not said yes or no. And you know that very soon, the price of up wine will increase.
Eh? Is that what has broken your heart? Is that what has scattered your heart or divided it into two?
Okacha! Is that not enough?
It's not enough. Or there enough? Eh? Shaka, don't worry. A message will come to you very soon from the king. Very soon. Look at the way you are looking at me. You are already drunk.
Enemies.
Hey, shaka, shaka.
Enemies of my soul. I know that you people will sabotage me in this land, but I'm equal to all of you. Nonsense. Shaka! Comport!
Go on. Father has had enough. It's time for you to play for me. Sit. Sit. Play for me.
You just entertained me in the palace, and I had enough. Now you're here with her. It's time to go.
Father, he only just got here. He hasn't played at all.
Odunze, I say go.
Father, he hasn't even played.
I will send for you when I need you. Iwe. Stop. I did not tell you to go.
I have also had enough, Father.
Iyo soro ya bụrụ ofu mbosi ọ ga-agbarịrị n'anwụ onye ukwu na-atụ ilu onye nta na-atụ ilu ajụjụ wee bụrụ gịnị ka na-ezo
Father, are you okay? Can we what?
You will not understand.
Wait, no, wait, Can we?
Go in quick. She's waiting for you. Hurry up.
Who?
Who else if not Nwaka? The princess. Your love.
Gods of our land.
Go before someone sees you. Go.
Waka, my angel. Waka. Waka, are you there? Where could she have been?
your body on the dry leaves. You almost tore her to pieces.
Are you praising or mocking me?
Go before you are seen. Go!
I love her to the moon.
She tells me that all the time. Okay, day and night. So go. Go before you are seen. Go!
Send my love to her. Tell her we should do this again tomorrow.
Go. I hear footsteps. Run! My princess, are you okay? My princess, are you okay?
Both of you telling me you do not know where she is?
Your Highness, she's in her chambers.
I just came from her chambers and she wasn't there.
Your Highness, I saw with my life. She's in there.
What are you saying? That I'm blind and cannot see?
Igwe, do whatever you want with us. If you go into her chambers and you do not see her.
Very well then. If indeed I go there and do not find her, you will regret ever standing before me to say what you are saying. Now get out!
Okay.
My love, I came here just now and you were not in.
I was here. I saw you, but I hid from you. But you know I can't hide from you for long, so I chose to come out. Father, can you please let me have my way like I used to in the past?
My love, you can have everything you want, except the no-go area.
If I may ask, Father, why all these restrictions? What is this destiny you keep speaking about?
When the time comes, you will know. But for now, let us not talk about that topic now. I want to take you out.
To where?
Olona Ranch for horse riding.
I love horse riding. So,
let's go.
Good day, Odunze Nwabogidi. How are you? Fine, thank you. Mention it. Odunze, I came with this ekpem of palm wine so that we can talk.
Shaka, I have a lot on my mind now. So just go. I don't have time now.
Odunze, I wanted you to help me pass this ekpem to the Igwe, so that he will know that I am serious and give me date to come with Ndichie for the hand of Nwaka, his daughter. Okwivaibalo. Odunze. Odunze!
Now, Shaka, leave me alone. Maka, I don't have your time. Go!
Odunze, but you told me to come anytime. And now you are saying you don't even have the anytime. No problem. I will go. I will fight this battle all alone. And I will conquer. I will conquer! Eh? Shaka! Comport-toi!
shall be leaving you here.
That's all right. That's all right. That's all right, eh?
Tomorrow, let us meet at the same place.
Okay.
I have other lands, better lands to show you tomorrow. Next season, if you cultivate it, it will yield you a bountiful harvest.
Yes. That's all right. That's all right. I will come to see it tomorrow. That's all right. It's all right. Send me word to your family.
Prince of Awaka, what is the meaning of this?
You're the one standing between me and the princess. Stay away from her or I will crush you like a cockroach.
Prince of Awaka, I have done nothing to you people. You people should just leave me alone!
How dare you raise your voice against my prince?
I swear by the gods, I will not hesitate to fight back if I am further provoked.
Leave him.
Disappear, or we help you get buried. The one.
May I ask a favor from the king?
Whatever you desire, my love.
Father, I'd love to visit the stream. Just sit down, enjoy the scenery, and hear the birds sing.
Good. But you must go with the guards.
No, Father. Please, let Akaeze, your eyes, go with me. For I am certain she will not allow any man behold, look, or even speak to me.
Is that what you desire, my angel?
Yes, Father.
Granted. But you must come back on time. Please.
I will.
Go in there and meet her. Don't do more than you should. Resist what you could. Now go.
Wait. Is she alone?
No. Mba, the whole world is there with her. For your information, she's ovulating. Do only hugging and not the other one. Don't do the other one. Go.
The flute. It keeps calling my heart, my soul, and my spirit to come running to you.
We are taking a lot of risks, my love.
Please play for me. Play. I hope you came with the head of Arusi.
Yes.
Yes.
It's in the bag.
Give it here. Odunze, I'm always so saturated with the flute. I feel on top of the world at the sound of it. With your hands on my shoulder and your eyes deep into mine. It's like a dream come true.
You are the center of my world. And whatever makes you happy is what I will always do. And I'll keep doing it.
I know you want me to admire you, but my eye is off like one's at the bed. Up in the sky, delivering message to the eagle.
Shaka, go and take your birth first. Then you know if you are worthy of talking to me. Not to talk of me considering you. Wretched drunk.
I will not marry you or Ijoma, your friend. It is the princess or never. Shaka! Take your eye off with water. Comport!
Your Highness.
What is going on here?
Your Highness.
Where is the princess? I was worried she had not come back on time. So I disguised to come and look for her by the river. Only to find both of you here. What is going on?
Nothing.
Nothing really? Odoze, your lips are wet. Like you kissed a woman. Did you kiss Akeze? Or did you kiss Nwaka, my woman? Akeze! Where are you, Akeze? Akeze!
Your Highness. Your Highness.
I have waited and my patience is running out. What went on inside that bush? Where is Nwaka?
She's in her chamber.
What went on there?
It was Odunze. He was proposing to me. He said you forbid him from seeing the princess. And he came for me. Then his lips contacted mine, Your Highness. That's all.
Why then did both of you run away?
The fear of you. The fear of you and nothing more, Your Highness.
I will go and confirm in there if Nwaka is back. If not, I will have your head for breakfast tomorrow. Meanwhile, I will believe your story only when I have confirmed. Get out!
Oh, Father.
Were you with them?
Who is them?
Akeza and Odunze. I saw them beside the bush, and when I went inside, I saw signs that the grass had been laid on.
No, yes, I mean, we went to the river, and then Akeze said she had running stomach. I waited a while for her, and when I didn't see her, I started coming home. That's all.
Odunze is not the kind of man I thought he was then.
Father, he's your favorite person. He's a good man.
Not after frolicking with Akeze. Anyway, I'll be in my palace. I just came to confirm if you're okay.
I'm fine, Father.
Thank the gods you're okay. And destiny is still intact.
He keeps talking about destiny.
Which of you told the king to follow the Opata road?
He did not tell him anything.
Henceforth, if he asks you anything, just tell him you don't know. Do you hear me?
Yes, Akeze.
Dismiss! Fools! I have to lie to save the princess. What happens when the king finds out the back gate we use for entry and exit? What happens? Akeze.
Odunze, you are a man. Why are you shivering like a jellyfish? Don't be scared. I only called you here for us to talk. Now, do you like Akeze?
Huh?
I will give you everything you need to make her your own, as long as you keep yourself away from desiring Nwaka. Take your time and tell me how and when you want to marry her, and I will make everything happen.
Your Highness, well, it was not Akeze, but...
Listen to me. I will provide everything that is required to see her parents. I will even make it a royal wedding. Just take your time. Tell me when you want to marry her, and I will provide everything, like I said. What thing I do not want and I won't entertain is both of you doing it in the bush. It will soil the image of the royal family. I don't want it. Now go and be a man.
Igwe, what did Akeze tell him? What is going on?
Your Highness, you sent for me.
He said he loves you, and I'm ready to provide everything to support the marriage between you.
I don't understand, Your Highness.
You know Odunze is like a son to me. I wouldn't want both of you frolicking in the bush again like you did earlier today. I'd rather you have a beautiful marriage together, instead of bringing shame and dishonor to the royal household.
Your Highness, did he tell you we have plans to marry?
You were the one who told me that in the first place before I sent for you.
Your Highness,
Well, he will soon pick a date. And once you're ready, like I said earlier, I will provide everything that is needed for the marriage. This discussion is over. You may leave.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You mean he said all that to you? Why didn't you tell him there was nothing going on between Akeze and yourself?
If I had said so, he would know I was with you inside the bush.
Then better. Then he will stop using this line of destiny. He'll stop dropping it. I mean, now Akeze has come into the picture, the whole thing is complicated.
Okay, Fine, I promise I will see him and I will tell him the truth. I will tell him it's you I want and it's you I love and I want to marry.
Tunze, you have to, and fast. I know my father. If he succeeds in joining yourself and Akeze together, there'll be no going back.
Okay. I will do well in time to prevent it. Okay?
Promise me you'll take care of yourself.
Ọ bụ gịnị ka a na-ezo? Gịnị ka a na-ezo? Ọ bụ dị gịnị ka a na-ezo? Gịnị ka a na-ezo?
Igwe Gwedo told me that his greatest fear has been allayed. Yes. He told me that Odunze wants to marry Akaeze, his chief of servants, and he wants to give them royal wedding.
But they are not royals.
Yes. But Igwe considers Odunze as his son and by tradition can adopt him. Since his father, Agbogidi, was a prominent member of his chiefs before the accident that claimed him and his wife.
Well, whatever maintains the secret and peace of the palace and give way for destiny to be fulfilled, that is what I support.
That will be quite right. If the marriage happens, it will put a permanent end to any interest from Odunze, which has always been a threat to the very existence of the secret and the fulfillment of destiny.
My brother, let me go quickly and cultivate a farmland for my in-law.
You are still cultivating land for your in-law.
He is my in-law. I have to do it. Please, let me go and do that quickly.
It's all right. Let me go to the market to dispose some of my animals and raise money for the business to discount.
We shall see then.
The lies I told because of you has now landed me into big trouble. How do I tell the king, your father, that all was a lie?
He will understand, Akaeze. Odunze will speak to him. It's about time we all come out open and face the consequence.
Please, my princess. I don't want anything that will make me lose my job or make me fall out with the king. Please.
You're in safe hands. He'll either agree to it or disagree. But finally, he will explain to me what the destiny thing is all about.
I leave you now. Let me go put eyes on those palace gossips.
Hey. Thank you.
Odunze, what did you just say?
Igwe, I love Princess Waka. Igwe, I don't have anything with Akeze. And I don't have any desires for her. I was only with her the other day because I wanted to receive a message sent to me by Mwaka, my love.
May the gods forgive your mouth with which you called her your love.
Igwe, I'm a man. Igwe, I'm like a son to you. Igwe, please. Let me marry your daughter. Please. Don't give her to another man. Huh? Igwe, I'm crazy about her.
Get out of here now, before the gods strike you dead.
Hey, Igwe. My father, my lord. Why can't I marry your daughter?
Oh! You want to find out? Igwe! Igwe!
All is not well.
He's the king and Odunze. I hope he has not killed him.
Oh my goodness. Come with me.
The war has said again. What could it be this time around? I will dig my nose and find out. Wait, let me sneak closer. Be careful so that case doesn't catch you.
Huh? Toko! What is that, Toko? Let us know when another war starts, so that I will run to my Ikunne. Huh? Shaka! Organize yourself.
Telling me you planned with him to come before me and call you his love with all temerity?
Father, it's about time you know the truth. We love each other and we want to get married.
Akeze was only covering up for us. We are going to get married and you cannot stop it.
It will never happen. And you will stop saying that.
Why, Father? Tell me why.
No man can ever marry you. You will know your destiny soon. And it will be 10 months from now. When your destiny awaits you on that day, you will have no choice but to embrace it as it was ordained.
Any plans of the gods without Odunze amounts to my death. I will not accept any other man.
Well, there is no other man anywhere. You already have what destiny designed for you.
You are getting me more confused.
You will soon find out. Henceforth, I forbid you from leaving this palace, nor Odunze from coming into this palace.
No.
You will remain within the walls of this palace until that time comes.
No.
I have spoken, and it is final.
No.
No.
Was it all about me? No. No man whatsoever must talk to her about marriage. For there is a destiny that awaits her.
Cherekene, obu gini na-eme, o gini na-eme, ọkwa ajụjụ ka m na-ajụ.
Igwe, I'm a man. Igwe, I'm like a son to you. Igwe, please. Let me marry your daughter. Please. Don't give her to another man. Huh? Igwe, I'm crazy about her.
Get out of here now, before the gods strike you dead.
Igwe, my father, my lord, why can't I marry your daughter? Eh?
Oh! You want to find out? Igwe! Igwe!
What lies next between Waka and I? Why all these obstacles? Be the king's reason. Why is this happening to me? Why? Why?
I wonder what this urgent message is all about.
I wonder too. Will it be that he wants to set the date for the marriage of Odunze and is it very soon?
I doubt. Otherwise, the urgency of this message wouldn't have been there.
Well, whatever it is, we shall soon find out.
It's all right.
With what the princess is telling me, there is a lot to unravel. This goes beyond our imagination. Who could the so-called destiny be? Who? She said the king told her there will be no new man for her on that day. What is it then? And why is he against any man that talks to her about marriage? Why?
If you got you, may the king live forever.
It is well with you, my daughter.
A message came from the Prince of Umuchimere. He says he would like to pay a visit to the royal home.
Did he tell you his intentions?
Yes, Your Highness. He says he's interested in the princess and...
Are you crazy?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Just doing...
Will you shut up? What did I tell you about any man coming to talk to her about marriage?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Just that this one is the prince
Oh,
of...
will you shut up? Now get back to them and send a message that the princess is not available for marriage. And she will never be available. Now get out!
Something deep lies that we do not know. Something deep. Come here! So, you have been listening to all I've been saying?
No. I was there before you came, but I couldn't cross because of the fear of what you would do to me.
Now, listen to me. Go into the maid's room, pack all your things, and leave this palace. Now! You are nothing but a nuisance in this palace. That is what you are.
Keze, please. Please, I beg you, please. Please don't send me out. I don't know where to go to. Please. I have nowhere to go to, please. Please. Please.
That is the situation. I think we shall call the other two cardinal elders, and then we'll go and meet the Ezemo to chat a way forward, because she's beginning to ask a lot of questions.
So, even Akaeze cannot be trusted.
She is nothing but a woman. She will want to protect the interest of her fellow woman before any other person.
The most worrisome is Odunze, the boy I call son. I just hope he has not tasted her womanhood.
Your Majesty, if he has done, the repercussion would have followed immediately. But we need to act fast to cushion the effect of the pending crisis.
So I think we should brainstorm and chat a way forward. What bothers me is that the days are moving at snail speed. Oh, my fathers, gods of my forefathers, please let me embrace this destiny with pride.
Iyo sọ̀rọ̀ ya bụrụ ofu mbọsị ọ ga-agbarịrị n'anwụ.
Odunze nwa Bobi. Odunze, I am talking to you. Okay. I came with something very delicious. Grab it and eat everything. Then give me back the pepper so that I can lick the oil.
Shaka.
Henceforth, I forbid you from coming to my hut to disturb me. Did you hear me? I don't have a business with you. And if you fail to stop coming to this place to disturb me, Shaka, I will deal with you. I have told you, I don't have a single business with you. Others, I have a lot of businesses with you. Yes, because I saw what happened between you and the princess inside the bush. Yes. I came for us to settle. Else, I will go to the way and offload everything. Shaka, should I go? No, Shaka, please come. Okay, let's settle. Let's settle. Now you are talking.
Come, let's go.
Should I sit down?
Yes.
Or should I go to the way?
Hey, Shaka. Let's settle.
Your Highness, you sent for me.
Akaeze, why did I trust you so much, but you decided to fail me?
I can never fail you, my king.
How come you allow the princess to secretly see Odunze? After all I told you.
For that I have failed, my king. But I pledge here and now that it will never happen again. Never.
Henceforth, I will guard her myself. I will never allow her leave this palace for any reason. Under no circumstances should that happen. Else, I will use my gun and nobody will be spared. Not even you, Akaeze.
My king, whatever you decide, so shall it be.
Get out of my palace.
Yes, Your Highness.
Shaka!
Hmm?
So you were in the bush, defecating, and saw everything?
From a very vantage position. Hmm? Okay. Shaka. Hmm? Please.
I don't want you to go and tell Igwe anything. Or even tell anybody anything. Please. What really happened was that the princess broke her leg. And I went there to help her massage it. That's all.
Story for the gods. Off I go to the Igwe to offload the real story. Oh, wait, Shaka. Huh? Wait now. Shaka, okay.
What do you want from me?
Now you are talking. 4 tubers of yam. Else! 4 guinea. Tubers of yam. Not any size, oh. It must be as large as that of Nkendi Obaru. Are you giving me the yam? Or should I go to the Igwe? No. Wait. Okay. I will give you. Now you are talking. Odunze, let me celebrate the settlement with a gentle dance. Go and get the yam!
Iche, we have to involve Otono, Okano, and other cardinal elders who know the secret, and possibly see the chief priest. If in any way this can fast forward the night of solidification, then we can bring it forward so that the destiny can be fulfilled.
That is another good suggestion. Any way it can be brought forward so that we have an end to this impending saga will do all of us a great deal of good.
Very good then. Who we call Otono and Okano then?
I will suggest you inform Otolo. Well, because you live closer to him, I will go and inform Okano.
It's all right. It's a good one. It's a good suggestion. It's all right.
Well, I can't see you off because of my waist, but remember the urgency.
Please, you have to remember what you have said.
Yes, I will be on my way to go and call
Go and see him.
Thank you.
Yes. Quickly,
Your Highness, she is sleeping in her chambers. You need to remain calm.
Go and do your work. I already saw her in her chambers. I was just making sure that she remains there.
Hello, my princess. My princess, are you in? If you are, please open the door. Odu sent a message. My princess, the king is standing outside with a gun. Open the door, please. Hello? My princess.
How did she make it out? And to my heart. Gods of our land. I'm coming, my love. I want to make sure the coast is clear. I know that look. What happened?
Nothing, Your Highness. Just that she has refused to open the door or eat.
I will talk to her. She must eat.
No, Your Highness. You don't need to go there. I don't want her to harm herself. I saw her with a knife earlier. And she was saying a lot of strange things.
Why didn't you inform me earlier? I swear by the gods, I will kill you should anything happen to her.
The more I try to tame the situation, the more it gets worse. May the gods help us.
My love, my angel, please open the door. My sunshine. She told me you're with a knife. Please don't hurt yourself. If you do, I will die. Please. My angel, I will give you anything you want. You are the only one I have. Please open the door. My angel.
Just make sure you keep fresh palm wine for me. Well, no, no. I greet you a bit in one book. Look at the kind of risks the princess is taking just to be with me. Eh? Gods of our land. I pray she finds her way back through the route she created, which she came out from through the back of the palace.
Now I have to face the king again and cover the maid's lie.
Were you blind or confused? Why did you tell me you saw her when you did not?
I saw my king. I thought she was the one I saw. Please forgive me. Maybe I was wrong.
My king. Please, this is her first time of doing a thing like this. Please forgive her. The princess, she has sent for her food. So the door is open. You can go see her now, my lord. Please, pardon her.
Let this never happen again. If it does, I will skin you alive.
Thank you, my king.
You did well. You did well. Go now. You will get a reward. These clothes are new. They were bought from the greatest dressmaker in Abamana. She spent a fortune purchasing them for you.
Thank you. How is my love doing?
She's fine. She said you should not sleep. If she succeeds, she'll be sneak out to be with you.
Okay. I'm out. Wait. There's something I want to give you to take to her.
Shaka! Who is calling my name? Onyamam? Good or evil man?
What are you doing on the tree? Hey, Shaka.
I can hear the voice of Okachonyo Biabo. And I ask, what are you also doing under the tree?
Shaka, if you are drunk, why not go home and have your rest? Eh? You are resting. Will you come down and go home? Go home and have your rest.
Okacha, let them rest. I shall remain on top of this tree to checkmate the evil people that meander in the day, even in the night. I will not come down. I want to remain here and checkmate people that are going to plant charm and people planning to sleep with widows. Okacha, by the way, which one are you coming back from? Planting a charm or sleeping with a widow?
What?
Or negotiating on how to perform any of the two?
Thunder, fire your mouth there. Are you mad? Stupid boy. My friend, will you come down and go to your home?
Okacha, I know that you are not an evil man, but allow me to do my work. The God sent me, and I must do my work. I will checkmate all the evil men in this community. And they report. Anybody I see, I will report to Digo. Okacha, you go and rest.
Okay. If you want to remain there, remain there. Remain there.
Okacha, you be abo.
Shaka. Hey!
Akeze, I am happy you lived up to your promises. She has been indoors for a while now, with less problems.
I can't betray your confidence in me, Igwe.
When the night of destiny is fulfilled, I shall surely reward you handsomely.
Anything for you, my king.
I have missed Odunze's flute, I must confess.
I can send for him to be brought here immediately, my king.
Please do so. But one thing, don't let the princess know he's around.
I will, my king.
This flute again to raise my spirit.
I've been waiting for you.
Kind of people do. I greet you.
I greet you too. The king demands to see you at the palace at once. He said you should come and entertain him.
Okay. Tell the king that I am right behind you.
Okay.
Where is Odunze? He ought to be here by now.
Yeah. That is 100 cowries.
I want you to know that I do not hate you. My love, have I fulfilled your heart desire?
Yes, Father.
Play for her.
Enough.
You may leave us.
Igwe, my princess.
Ijoma, so you are truly serious about this Odunze?
Yes, no. It's high time I met him and tell him how I feel about him.
Okay, why not just wait around his hut?
Wherever he has gone to, I'm sure he will definitely return. So just wait for him.
I'll do that exactly. So whatever the outcome is, I will let you know.
Okay.
I see the future, Father. I hear a voice calling. A call that I must answer. I wonder, this destiny you speak of, does it have anything to do with the flute?
The future lies in what is coming. It is your destiny. You must embrace it with love.
I know the voice I hear, Father. I know. But meanwhile, are you okay?
I'm doing great. As long as my love is doing well, I'm fine.
Very well then.
I should go back to my chambers now that Odunze has left.
Well, I should be going back to the palace. Ichiaka Dike is waiting.
Very well then, Father.
Ijoma, I appreciate your liking me. But I'm sorry, my heart belongs to someone else.
Who?
You will find out when the time comes. Enjoy your day, Ijoma Wokorota.
The king desires to eat pounded yam, so go prepare a delicious soup that will go with it. Go. Hurry, go. Go!
I'm sorry the way I left. I left so quick. I just wanted to start getting used to him.
It's fine, but I have to leave now. He saw me fall asleep before I sneaked out through the door. Back door. I have to hurry back now.
Don't worry, my love. Soon, all this will be reality.
I hope so. I have to go. All right, my love.
Iye gadi rere, ona de kana nro. Iye gadi.
Once again, things are normal. I am happy again. Destiny is on the sail to fulfillment. Gad, go and kill a goat and prepare food for the whole family. Go.
Yes, sir.
It will be what it will be.
Ijoma, you still haven't told me how it went with Odunze the last time. So tell me.
Forget about it.
Wow. From the sound of your voice, it means it didn't go well.
He says he's in love with another woman now.
Which woman?
He didn't tell me. You know what, Ogechi? Let's go back to the farm work we are doing. I've had enough rest. People like Odunze is nothing. It's nothing but...
Ijoma, are you the one talking like this? Oh.
Make sure you put your eyes to the ground. Monitor everything. I won't be long.
Okay, ma.
Also make sure you serve King's food early and the princess.
Okay, ma.
Did you hear me?
Yes.
Good.
Shaka, what is it again? More yams. More yams or I offload. Offload what? I saw the princess dressed like an Ichie and sneaked in here. She spent a lot of time in your hut before coming out.
Shaka, who are you? How do you even get to see all these things?
Are you a ghost? I also know the illegal way she uses to sneak in and out of the palace. And I am fully prepared to tell the king.
Okay, fine. Let's go inside. Let me settle you. Let's come. Let's go. Let's go inside.
Greetings, Your Highness.
It is well with you, Akeze.
You're rather up early this morning.
I have no choice.
With a gun in hand?
I have to in case.
Anyway. All is well, Your Highness. I was with her last night, singing lullaby, until she slept. She's not up yet, but the maids are waiting to take her order as soon as she does. I will be on my way to Amagun, as we discussed, Your Highness.
Hurry up then.
Okay, Your Highness.
It's well with you, Akeze.
Thank you, Your Highness. I will see you soon.
Emelumala ihe gadi Okwe mane mekwala melu ihe gadi rere Ona de kanaro ihe gadi emesia obure eziokwu ihe gadi rere Chukwu na mmadụ malugo otu ọ bụ na o siri dị n'elu ụwa ihe gadi rere mmadụ ekwelugo na anyị Igbo fuo ihe gadi
Akeze,
Nine.
the chief servant of Igwe Igwedo.
Nine.
How are you today?
I'm fine, Nine. I salute you, Ichie Okacha.
Thank you very much, my dear. You look so elegant today.
Dalu Nine. Dalu. I'm on my way to an important message.
That's all right.
It looks like you're heading to the palace.
Of course, yes. I am going there to see His Highness for an important issue.
Okay, Nine. Do have a nice day.
Thank you very much, eh? And you, eh?
Yes.
Hey.
If only you people know that what I know now is beyond what you people thought I know. If only.
Please, lower your voice. See, all these arrangements he did in this palace is making me uncomfortable.
Did she come out?
Yes, she has gone out through the created path. And the king is still standing outside with the gun.
The day you found out, he will kill all of us.
See, I pray that day Akeze will be the one around to explain the whole thing to him. Let's go back to her.
All this drama in this palace is what I can't. I pray to see the end. I just pray to see the end.
I pray so too. Please, let's leave here.
So that is it, Your Highness. That is it. After much negotiations, I bought the cow, killed it, and gave to my in-law for the forthcoming burial ceremony.
Congratulations. At least in your lifetime, you can now be proudly called an Ogwefi.
Ah, that's all right. That's all right. You see, Your Highness, till now, my wife is so proud of me.
Who won't be?
Very, very proud of me.
All right, no problem. After the night of destiny, I believe that you will not just kill one cow, but you will even begin to sell cows.
Hey, Injawusa. He said, hey.
She's here again. Another wonderful time with the princess. Gods of our land, please grant me protection.
This is the height of it. Huh? It will not happen. I, Shaka, Mwikelion, will not be alive and all these things will be happening. Huh? Igwe must hear this. Shaka, don't organize.
Yes. The coast is clear. Especially from that son of a goat, Shaka. But let me reconfirm that he is nowhere near and around this place.
People of our land, listen to the voice of Shakamuigorio. Here shall I remain, so that the impending rain will not sweep me away. Today is the day. I will not come down. Huh?
No! 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 No!
Father, you either kill me or tell me why I can't be with a man in my lifetime.
You will soon know. But that will be 9 months from now.
I will not wait 9 months to know why I can't be with a man. A lot has happened between Odunze and myself. I need to know now.
A lot like what?
A lot I will only tell you when you tell me what this destiny you speak of is about.
Nwaka, you are not what you think you are. That is why he is protecting you the way he does. And we all do.
Alas, a new theory arises. If I am not who I think I am, then who am I? A slave? An outcast? A food for the gods? Who or what am I?
Odunze has bitten more than he can chew. And he must pay. Oh yes, he must pay.
No.
What?
You will not.
No, no, no.
No! You will not touch him.
No, 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 Nwaka, no.
This is not good at all. It's not good at all. The bubble has finally burst. Look, everybody should keep mute. Mute. No matter what the king asks, claim you know nothing. Claim you know nothing. I will answer everything. I will.
Okay.
Did I make myself clear?
Yes.
Did I make myself clear?
Yes.
Good.
My legs shall never touch this ground unless I hear that the land is cleansed. From where I stand, I see boys climbing over girls in the bush. Old men chasing after widows. Hey! Hey! Even the princess sneaking in to see the servant of the king. Oh! Hello. When I, Chaka, is ready to marry her and she rejected me, we shall see. We shall see. The rain will soon start. And I'm already on this tree for safety. Hey! Shaka! Comport yourself!
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Their love was so much that I couldn't help but assist the princess who threatened to kill herself once.
Now you are leaving this palace. You made me believe you, but you lied to me all this while.
Your Highness, please. Things will go worse if we continue this way. Please.
What other way do you want me to deal with it? My life and destiny are at stake. Because this idiot here has been toying with it by encouraging the princess to sneak out of the palace, however, to go and see Odunze. If by any means he has tasted of her womanhood, then all of you in this palace shall be alive and decay. I swear by the gods.
Akeze, swear. Swear that you don't know of them sleeping with each other.
I know nothing of that, Ichie. Nothing. I only supported their love and desire to marry each other. When the king finally grants it, I never supported or know anything about them sleeping as man and wife.
Oh, you are a swine! Because I have told you repeatedly that on no occasion, whatever reason, should you allow her get out of the palace. And I told you that she can never marry another man because destiny awaits her. She can never marry any man under the surface of this earth. But you went ahead encouraging her to flag my orders.
That I'm sorry for, Your Highness. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought with time the order would be relaxed. I never knew it's as serious as.
Now let me state it in clear terms. What awaits Nwaka as her destiny does not encourage her or even allow her to marry another man except the one she already has. Destiny has kept one for her a long time ago.
Your Highness, are you saying she already has a husband?
Shut up and get out of this place. I'm done with you. Out! What insolence?
Your Highness, may the gods help us out.
They have no choice, because I have always done what is required of us.
Destiny provided her everything long ago. Who could the king be talking about? Good as the king is, he is shrouded in secrecy. What is this destiny about the princess? I pity Nwaka. Much as she loved Odunze, I can see that she has lost her. And I'm done trying to help.
So, that's it. Well, thank the gods that you are here to witness what I go through intermittently. It's not been easy.
Your Highness, it must surely come to pass. Yes?
I hope so. If only the Ezemo did not say there is nothing we can do until she turns 30.
Then we can manage whatever till that time.
I know what to do. I will lock her in my chambers day and night. Let me see how she will escape.
Anything that will preserve and protect her till that day has my support. Yes.
May the gods guide your steps.
Your Highness, I will be here in the morning with Demba to check on the situation.
Okay, I will be expecting you.
Igwe.
May the gods guide you.
Ise.
Ọ bụ gịnị ka a na-eso? Gịnị ka a na-eso? Ọ bụ dị gịnị ka a na-eso?
What are you still doing in this farm? You were here when I passed, and you are still here till now?
I am here, making sure that people like you allow grasses to grow in the bush.
If I may ask, what do you mean by that statement?
What I mean is that from the center of this farm, I see all the evil being committed in the bush. And whenever I see it, I must report it.
Okay then, remain there. You can even sleep there. It will be a shame on you if you ever leave this place.
Shame on you too. I will never marry you. Otoja, I will not marry you. Get out!
So you prefer this to the beautiful life I wanted to give you?
Igwe, for her love, I am ready to go through any pain and persecution.
Why did I even come to you in the first place? You will face whatever you brought to yourself.
You are my Father, my Lord and my King. Please give me your daughter and make me a complete man. Please, I beg you. I beg you. Please. Waka.
She almost killed me when I took the food to her.
But the king gave an instruction that everything has to pass through him to her. So take the food to the king. He knows how to pass it to her.
Okay.
That is exactly what happened. I told him we shall be coming to see him tomorrow.
Alomelo. I hope they have not tasted the forbidden fruit.
If they had done that, the gods would have struck them dead. That belongs to a man of destiny. Yes.
Let it be, because the future of the royal home, and to an extent that of the land, lies on that night of destiny.
That is true. That is very true. So, shall we visit the king tomorrow morning and once again demonstrate our commitment to his cause?
Surely, I will cancel where I wanted to go to make myself available for the visit.
You better do. That would be very nice too. Please, I take your leave now.
Hello, Melo.
It's all right.
Hello, Melo.
My king, she has refused to eat again. She attacks anybody that comes to see her in your chambers.
Okay, leave that to me. Go and treat Odunze's wounds and then serve him a meal.
Okay, Your Highness.
Leave Waka's food in the palace. I will feed her myself.
I will do that, Your Highness.
Right.
Your food.
I do not want food. All I want is my love.
I'll leave it here. You may choose to eat or choose to leave it. Better still, choose to go and eat love.
My love. Chibo. What have I done? My love. Waka, my love.
The king ordered that you should be released at once. He wants to see you.
I heard that my love was locked up in his room for months now. I will not come out until she regains her freedom.
It is His Highness we are talking about here.
I know. I know. But what is freedom without that of my love?
I will not come out unless she is freed.
So, should we tell the king what you just said?
I'm sorry I locked you up for 2 months now.
I'm sorry, my love.
Don't think there's any love left between us.
Our love is about to begin, my dear.
Only way I can value whatever love you have for me as a father is to let me marry the man I love, which happens to be Odunze.
You have no other love other than the one you have here already.
Well, I have no other love other than the one I have for Odunze.
Will you shut up?
No, father, I won't shut up.
Shut up, Mwaka.
No, I will not shut up, father.
Shut up. I am not your father.
What did you say?
Now you forced me to say it out.
What did you say?
You're supposed to know everything on the night of destiny. The night you were supposed to officially become my wife. I'm not your father. I'm your husband, Waka. I engaged you at the tender age of 2 years. The chief priest said I'm a reincarnation of Igwe Igwedo, and that I must do everything he did exactly the way he did it. He married a 2-year spotless virgin, and that made him live over 100 years old. And I must do the same. That's why I brought you all the way from Agogno land years ago.
Today, Waka, I possess you. On the night of destiny, you shall become my wife.
Let me die, Igwe. I would rather die. This can never be. Never, ever.
Please. I wish I knew the consequence of telling you this. But I just did. You are my wife. That was why I protected you with all my life and even call you angel and my love. You are my destiny fulfilled. I shall live long and do everything you want from me as a woman. You are the queen, not the princess.
This can never be. A lot has happened.
A lot has happened, a lot has happened. Okay, I'm going to give you some time to adjust to the revelation. I know that the Ezemo was supposed to announce this, but I already did.
This cannot be. How does this seed is growing in me?
What did you just say?
I am pregnant with his child. It's such a shame you took this long to tell me the truth. I cannot help you now.
Do you know what you are saying? Where are the other guards?
They are the back feeding the goods, Your Highness.
Now you go with the chief guard to Odunze's house. Tie him up and bring him here right now. And ask the other guards to call me Odimba and Okata. Now, go, go, go.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go!
Your Highness.
My world is about to collapse, and you all are responsible for it. She wants to be my wife. I am not her father. She was supposed to know on the night of destiny. Then destiny will be fulfilled. But you all ruined it by allowing her frolic with Odunze, which has now resulted into pregnancy. Now, I give you till dawn to leave this palace with other maidens. Else, there will be a rain of blood.
Your Highness. I will take any kind of punishment. Any kind of punishment, Your Highness. But
Till dawn! Else, I will categorize all of you as monkeys and start killing you.
Your Highness. Back, all of you, back! It's all over! Back! All of you! Just go! Back, all of you! Back.
She's 2 months gone. And Odunze here is responsible.
Hello, Melo. Hey, gods of our land. Huh? What do we call this?
Out of frustration, I told her the secret. I don't even know what the consequences shall be.
Your Highness, how did we get here? After so many years of waiting, now it is just few months to go. And this is the Jay! Gods of our land. Why? Hey! Your Highness, I am not in support of sacking Akeze and the maidens. Let's go to Izemu, who will make a pronouncement on them. That is all.
Your Majesty, that is the exact thing to be done. They could not do this and still go free. Never. Never.
Igwedo Nkano.
Eyes of the gods, Ezemo, I greet you.
The gods quiver in pain.
Ezemo, let the gods speak in my
favor, for I have done all I should do to live longer than my predecessors. The gods shall speak tomorrow. I know. Until then, all will work in my favor, I believe. I pray they get the punishment they deserve from the gods.
Do you still love me, Odunze?
Till my last breath.
Even before the gods, we shall tell them of our love.
And our baby that is coming.
If we die, we shall continue our love in the life after here.
Yes.
I have consulted the gods, and they have spoken. They say I should inform the Igwe and the people of this land.
Igwe, having forced a minor without her consent and engaged her in a secret marriage, you shall vacate that seat, and all the elders that did this with you shall cease to be elders in this land. And they shall all appease the gods with 1 cow each. One more instruction from the gods. The gods instructed that Odunze immediately shall be crowned the king, while Unwaka shall be his wife.
Igwe abuses his power by taking a minor into a covenant, so that will enable him to live long.
It is arbitrary abuse of power. The gods have spoken.
Never! I will not give up anything. Not after everything I have done to be king and live long. Never!
Highness! Don't play the music. You cannot dance.